Lag! Alright, yeah. Oh, sir, whenever, yeah, we can all hear you. Whenever you're ready to start it, feel free.
I'm talking to KG.
No, I know. Camden, can you hear him? Swag. Alright, hold up.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, AJ. I'm not really British. Here we are. I'm trying to play. Whoa, where's everybody? Alright. I have never played this map before. I'll play in Bunker Hill. Never played this map.
Alright, follow me, guys, because I
Playing some white noise. I hate this game.
Nice ass, dude. Cody, nice ass.
Bro, I hate this game so much.
Dang, I'm Barbara Walters. Yeah, we unlocked this one girl.
Wait, how do you run again?
Yes. It's RT. Uh-oh, Cody, it's this room.
Oh, bro, my trigger stops are on, so I can't run. Oh my god.
I found it! What?
My trigger stops. Fuck, dude. I'm gonna have to change controllers. Wait.
Alright, dude, we'll wait.
Alright, hold on. I'm changing my controllers.
We'll cover you with flashlight.
Yeah, we're all gonna flash him.
What?
Yo, we should all play in dark. We should.
Changing my controller.
I think AJ.
Cause I don't wanna die. Cause I don't wanna die. Alright, swag, can I run now? Yeah, we out here doing big things.
Where's Paul?
What,
Oh my god,
James?
he left solo.
Alrighty.
Sydney, I swear to God, get over here.
Bro, can I get the next tape recording? Cause I think I need one more for a new character.
Stop running around. Oh, that's how you get new characters?
Yeah, but I only need one more for a new character.
Ooh, the jail cells. Ah, there's only a fish in. Well, no, I don't think
Squid
it's...
at?
I can hear it. It's in this one right here. Cody, that ass. Your legs are ugly, dude. You look like a fucking zombie. I wanna know what my ass looks like.
Hey, it's FaZe Banks. Yes, squid.
Exactly.
That's a look. Oh, I found a tape recorder.
Please let me get it.
Alright.
Oh, damn it. Get in here. Thanks, man. You're a pal.
Let's go.
Dude, I'm literally gonna cry in a minute, though. I hate this game.
Okay, this map's the scariest in my opinion.
Dude, I'm already scared right now.
Bro, I'm already.
Did you see it?
No, there was something though. It was like a butterfly.
Oh my god, that's so scary.
It scared me, dude. I swear. It flew past my screen. I was about to cry.
Hey, freaking Camden, after this, you wanna get on Black Ops 2 and use freaking DSRs with suppressors?
Shabba.
Bro, we were owning.
We were owning and search and destroy with DSRs and suppressors.
Word. Alright, man.
For a while.
Do what you do. I'll try not to cry. Alright, everyone's running pretty fast, dude. My character's pretty slow. Hey, man. Yo, Ron Weasley's in our lobby, dude? What the fuck? Good shit. I'm not turning behind me, actually. I don't trust it.
It's not behind you.
Bro. I hear him, too.
Yeah, dude.
I hear a tape for that fish in there.
I just want to look down.
Oh, it's another fish. Ooh, that scared me.
Squid.
About to die. Oh god!
Is he there?
Yeah. But I'm just gonna walk past.
That's
He
smart.
disappeared.
That's smart.
Cody.
He's gone.
Yo, stay
Dude, my heart just dropped out of my feet, dude.
I'm gonna scream like a girl, dude.
I was
Let
last
you two
alive.
hear that.
I'm gonna scream like
There it goes.
mid-sex girl. Like, real bad.
I'm gonna try
Get
to
over
keep
here,
it as
Sydney.
low as I can. Like, if we hear like a headset thrown off, that's it. Yeah.
Bro, this room seems too big, dude.
It's gonna be on. No, it's not in this room, trust me. It's just all the computers. Wait, no, it is in this room, I think. That's just computers. No computer.
Wait, who am I Yo, hold on, stop. Wait, oh, damn, girl, look at that ass. Oh, shit. Damn, shawty looking fine. She's running away like every other girl. I mean, wait, what? Wait, what?
Oh,
Oh.
let me
There'll be signs on the wall. Make sure you follow those signs sometimes.
Why?
This will actually help. Will help.
I'm gonna cry is what I'll do.
Look, there's some signs over here.
No, it's cool. We can just keep walking. Let me just look down.
Like the computer room is this way.
Oh wait, who's the girl and who's the guy with the suit?
Cody, did Cody just go by himself?
Oh, I thought. Okay, never mind.
Cody's gone.
Bye, Cody.
I hear something. I think it's a fish.
Wait, hold on. Yeah, it's a fish.
Wait.
Squid!
I swear to God, if we just made a circle.
Squidward!
I'm kinda
Oh
it's really dark
Bro,
out there.
my second TV just went black too for a second because I had it paused too long, and that just made me cry.
Gamer tag to I Squid.
YOLO.
Squid, like,
Oh, there's a squid there. What is it? It's like a monkey on a pie. Alright, we'll go this way. Oh God! Don't go that way.
Thank God, dude. You saved me. Alright, guys. Well, I'm doing well so far. Thanks to you guys. I'm just looking down and following you, and whenever you turn around, I won't.
But there's one in here. I know that.
Alright, bye, Camden. Oh, wait, no, you're in front of me. That's Cody.
Alright, let's go this way, guys.
The music gets scared. Wait, what happens if you get 8 tapes?
You die.
run.
Wait, like literally? So the end of this game, no matter what, is that you die.
I'm pretty sure.
That's great.
Timber. Do you die if you get all 8 tapes? Oh, Timber said supposedly.
Oh, that's reassuring.
I believe if you get him, you turn into the monster.
Oh, okay, that's good. I'll turn into the fucking monster. Okay, that makes sense. That's all you have to do to turn into a monster is find 8 cassette
this way.
tape players.
Hey, come back. Where you go, Cody?
Yeah, I'm following Brayden. Wait, where did Brayden go?
Oh, it's just a fish statue.
Freaking Squid.
Bro, my penis is inside my body right now. It's like I'm in the ocean,
Right now.
but I'm just that scared.
Oh, I hear a tape, I hear a tape. My belly button is...
Go this way, Cody.
It'll balloon us. Legs look like they're sandbags under sandbags. They're so funny.
Bro, I'm not even touching my controller and I'm just moving. Alright, now I'm good. I'm touching. Bro, there's some characters though, if you
Hold
get
up, I gotta do something real quick. Guard me.
guard you, fuck off, dude, let's go. I'm just kidding, I love you. Bro, there's some characters, if you get too far away from the group
He's
that...
behind us, he's behind us, he's behind us.
Alright, let's go. Yo, I'm following you. Go forward. Go left. Cody went that way.
I'm not a good leader.
Bro, just go left.
Yo, he's right behind you, AJ. He's right behind you, dude. He's standing there like...
Bujo! Cody!
Let's go.
When he was, dude,
Bro,
like right behind you.
I just screamed like the biggest pussy. Oh, and I just voice cracked.
Oh, he's
Yo,
behind me. Where'd you guys go?
Brayden, over here.
Bro.
Wait for me. I can't.
Oh my god.
No, don't leave Brayden.
Oh my
Brayden,
god.
come here.
Fuck Brayden, bro. I'm not. Oh. Bro, I'm following Cody. Cause no, stop, Cody. Stop. Yeah.
Bro, that guy was literally right, like 2 feet away from you.
That's sketch, dude. Then he appeared in front of us, and I was like, okay.
Wait for me. I'm gonna end up getting turned around.
Wait, Camden, are you behind me?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Can you guys wait for me, please? Like seriously.
I can't. I'm trying to get at this ass.
Oh god.
I don't want to look. Is he behind us?
No, Cameron's gonna. I mean, Cody's gonna get that thing.
Oh my god, bro. This is not meant for me.
Well, you know that at my house I've been screaming out.
Dude, for real.
I'm trying to like keep it as quiet as I can.
So where are we going?
Everybody on. Nobody there. Go to that door over there. Go to that door.
Let's make a decision. I'm shaking so much.
For real, dude. Pretty sure I broke my mic with my ear-piercing scream.
Cracking. I don't know why.
Yikes.
I don't even care anymore.
Yoy.
I told you to do that voice cracking though. Oh great.
I'm like about to cry.
Alright, nobody follow me anymore. I end up getting us always in the jail.
Alright, let's follow Cody.
Ass. No, we're following the ass.
Follow that ass girl.
Look behind
God, dude, those are zombie
So yes,
legs, though.
someone look behind us.
you. He's not behind.
He's not mine.
Oh yeah, girl. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, back that ass up to me, girl.
My eyes are up here.
Sorry.
Oh god. Marlboro Wawa. Oh, there's a fish up there.
It's a squid.
Oh boy! Let's do it, nigga! Yeah! Bro! I just heard it, bro.
Didn't he?
I'm gonna throw up all over myself. Oh my god.
He's literally just appeared there.
I'm gonna throw up all over myself. About to have to dashboard.
I swear to God, he literally just appeared.
I'm about to have to dashboard, dude.
Oh, we haven't gone in here yet.
Are you really like?
Dude, like my stomach hurts so bad right now. I'm so sad.
Oh my
I'm
god.
such a pussy, dude.
Didn't he?
Hey, did he even invite?
Yo, for real, dude.
I hear a tape.
Sex tape? Wait, is this Kim Kardashian Ray J tape or no?
No, it's not. I've already
Yeah.
Damn it. Yo, it's your boy, Ray. Wait, where are you guys? Okay.
you guys
We're right here.
I hear the tape over here.
Yeah. No, I heard him. I heard the.
Oh god, he's right over there.
Right over where?
Oh, there, he's right over there. Yo, don't look behind you.
I'm not.
Don't
No,
look
he's not
behind
there
you.
anymore. He's not there anymore. Where's the
Okay,
tape?
buddy. I don't know. We had to like.
Floofy OG, send me a message.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going in circles. We're not even doing anything right now, so we gotta get out of this room.
It's in here.
Oh, he like touched me. Show running. Following Cody. Even though Cody died first, I don't even care.
Great, where'd you guys go?
Well, you should have followed us.
Where's the
You guys were following me and then you just disappeared.
I don't believe you! Hey guys. Hello, Mrs. Zombie.
My god, dude.
Damn, yo, she's busted. You look way better in the dark. With that ass.
Bro, where are you? Okay, go back into the room.
Bro, I don't like that we're staying in
Oh,
the same
I'm
rooms.
In there. I've been in here looking around. Finally. We were in this room.
Dude, I hear this motherfucker.
Dude, the tape, I heard it in the other room.
It's probably over here. It's in this room to the left, probably.
playing trick?
Oh, shit.
Not working through your TV.
Found it.
Oh my god, dude, I'm gonna cry.
Right, everyone started dying. So what is this? This is a giant lobster?
Where'd you guys go?
Ew!
Is this a fucking death claw from fucking Fallout, dude?
Stop, Sydney. Where'd you guys go?
Into my butthole.
Now you're lost, Cody.
Oh no.
Now this is where Cody dies first.
Where is he?
Bro, we need to get out of this area. Wait, trap Camden.
Lay down.
No, don't trap me. Where did you guys go? No, come on.
Where is he? Yo, we need to get the fuck out. Bro, I saw him and I didn't even scream. I saw him and I didn't even scream. I'm a big boy now. I'm a big boy now. I'm a big boy now.
AJ, he ran from the ground, dude. He fished from the ground.
Bro, we need to get the fuck out of this area. Fuck you, we're out. Well, that's where we are. To the right, go to the right. Left, keep going, keep going. Through this room.
Bye, Cody. I'm in the tram. No, I'm by myself. No, I'm too quick.
Is your character going crazy?
That doorway, he rises from the ground like he's just like liquid.
For real, dude.
Stop moving.
That was scary.
No. Stop moving, guys. Alright, stop. Just stop.
Bro! Motherfucker, every man for himself unless I get separated from the group.
Go this way.
Dude, what the fuck did I just tell you, dude? We're about to get picked off. Look,
Follow Cody to the tramway.
the things we're doing for a girl right now, bro.
Bro, but she's got a pretty nice ass.
Thing. Ah! Getting the shakes.
Sydney, if you don't stop, I'm stuck.
Oh, you slush. You do a loop-de-loop and pull and your shoes are looking cool.
Dude, I can't move, help!
No, dude, I'm following one person and someone's following that one person.
I don't like this room. We've already been here.
Guys, come here.
No, fuck you, dude. Fuck you, bro. No. Cody.
Where are you?
Yo, we can't keep...
I'm out. There you go. Wow. So you
Really?
Where's AJ?
Here.
Hey, AJ!
Nope. I'm going around.
Bro, no! They dipped! I want a dashboard! I want a dashboard! I want a dashboard!
Dude, if I see this thing one more time, I'm okay.
Oh,
Bro, we keep going to the same spot. Just keep going straight.
Cody, you're not a good leader, homie.
Bro, I'm about to dashboard. Why'd she scream if she didn't die?
That means that it was a close encounter.
My sensitivity is so low.
Bro, my character can't even run right now.
Blue. That is really dark.
Wait, my character's slow.
I literally feel like I'm gonna vomit.
Wait, Lack, are you behind me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right? Cody, just keep on walking. Stop looking behind us, dude.
How the fuck's that make sense? I just levitated over that to reach this side. Bro, the motherfucker's to our right, dude. I swear I hear him. Sound whore.
I literally fired.
Bro, if I hit this, I'm gonna hit this 360 fucking YY monster, please don't hurt me swag.
Oh my god!
Did,
Turn me around.
Oh, Cody, bro.
wait, Lack, are you dead?
Yeah, I'm dead.
Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. That's game. That's game. I'm a pussy. Alright, that's game. I hope you all enjoyed.